Hi there. I'm Yvonne Arnold, and I help overwhelmed, unorganized real estate agents and team leaders clean up the chaos in their operations, people, and systems so they can finally run a business that's built to profit and it's on purpose. There are four pillars that make or break your business, whether you're solo, running a team, or somewhere in the messy middle. This is where we clean it up and build something sustainable. Now, before we start building the systems, fixing the processes, and scaling the profits, we need to make sure your foundation is solid. Too often, I see amazing agents and business owners hustling day to day, burning out, plateauing, not because they lack motivation, but because the foundation of their business isn't stable or scalable. So in this video, I want to walk you through what I believe are the true foundations of a real estate business that's built to profit long term. Let's get real. Most people jump straight to the flashy stuff, the lead gen, the branding, the CRM, the marketing hacks, the social media. But if you don't have clarity on the core of your business, those things will just add noise, not results. That's where the O.P.P.S frameworks comes in. It stands for operations, people, profits, and systems. And this is how we audit and rebuild your foundation from the ground up. Let's break each one down. The four foundations. O, operations. This is your day-to-day. Are you running your business or is it running you? Do you have structure or is it chaos behind the scenes? We're going to look at how your business is actually operating, not just what you intend to do, but what's actually happening. P, people. You can't scale alone. Whether it's your team, your clients, your vendors, the people you surround yourself with, either support your growth or stall it. Are you clear on who does what? Do you have the right people in the right roles, including you? P, profits. Revenue is not the same as profit. I want you to keep more of what you make. Are you clear on your margins? And do you know your numbers? This is where we start shifting from guessing to knowing. S, systems. This is the glue. Your workflows, tools, automations. The things that make your business repeatable, scalable, duplicatable, and less dependent on you doing everything. The goal here isn't just to get more closings or build a bigger team, although that's great when it's done right. The goal is to create a business that works for you, not one that constantly needs saving. When you get your foundation right, everything else becomes simpler, not easier necessarily, but clearer. You start operating from intention instead of reaction. It's about finding your gaps, fixing what's broken, and building something that lasts. You don't have to do it all today, but you do have to start. And I'm here to walk you through every step of the way. Let's get to work.